You can eat clean, train hard, take every supplement on the shelf. But if you're ignoring this one thing, you're working against your own recovery every single night. I'm talking about sleep, and not just getting enough hours. The science shows that how you sleep matters more than most men realize. Poor sleep disrupts your body's natural hormone cycle, drains your energy, and accelerates aging. One bad week can set you back further than you think. Today I'll show you exactly what's happening and the 5 fixes that actually work. Let's get into it.
Here's what's actually happening in your body. Your hormones are primarily regulated during deep sleep and REM cycles. This is when your brain signals the production of key recovery hormones that keep you energized, lean, and feeling young. Cut your sleep short, and you're cutting that recovery process at the source. A University of Chicago study found that men who slept only 5 hours per night showed hormone profiles of someone 10 to 15 years older. Let that sink in. So what's actually ruining your sleep after 40? Let's go through the 5 biggest factors. Number 1. Screens before bed. The blue light from your phone suppresses melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Put the phone away at least 60 minutes before bed. If you have to use screens, wear blue light blocking glasses. They're cheap and they work. Number 2. Your room is too warm. Your body needs to drop its core temperature to fall into deep sleep. The ideal bedroom temperature is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're sleeping in a warm room, you're spending less time in the deep sleep phases where recovery actually happens. Number 3. Alcohol and caffeine. That nightcap might help you fall asleep, but alcohol destroys your sleep quality. It fragments your sleep cycles and reduces deep sleep by up to 40%. And caffeine has a half-life of 5 to 6 hours. So that 2 p.m. coffee is still in your system at bedtime. Cut caffeine by noon. Number 4. Inconsistent sleep schedule. Your body runs on a circadian rhythm, a 24-hour internal clock. When you go to bed at different times every night, you're constantly disrupting that clock. The fix is simple. Same bedtime and same wake time, even on weekends. Within 1 to 2 weeks, your body will start to regulate itself. Number 5. Undiagnosed sleep apnea. This is the silent one. Up to 80% of sleep apnea cases in men go undiagnosed. If you snore, wake up with headaches, or feel exhausted no matter how much you sleep, talk to your doctor about a sleep study. This alone could be the missing piece.
So there you have it. 5 fixes. Cut screens before bed, keep your room cool, watch the alcohol and caffeine, stick to a consistent schedule, and rule out sleep apnea. Nail your sleep, and you're building the foundation for real recovery. No expensive supplements required, just smart habits. These 5 fixes are your starting point, but sleep is just one piece of the puzzle. If you want the complete system, training, nutrition, stress management, and recovery protocols all in one place, I built something for that. Stay tuned.